everyone, my name is Rachel Gurjar and today we're in the test kitchen with Simply Organic making garlic pepper shrimp. I love this recipe. It is inspired by my trip to India with Simply Organic. It's super simple, so let's start. First things first, we're going to slightly sear our shrimp. I'm going to add some olive oil to this pan. Looks like our pan is slightly smoking, so let's add our shrimp. And as you can see, I have left the tails on because I like kind of biting on them when I'm eating the shrimp. But if that's something you don't want to do, feel free to just kind of clean them completely. A really interesting thing that Laura and I saw on our trip to India with Simply Organic was how the pepper plant actually grows. So the pepper is a vine that grows on the trunk of other trees, and the vines like make their way to the top while the pods kind of hang down with all of like the little green pepper pods. While our shrimp is on the saute pan, I'm going to go ahead and chop up some garlic. If you know my recipes, you know how much I love garlic. So I'm using about 2 to 3 kind of like medium-sized cloves, but honestly, if you love garlic, you can go up to 6 cloves. And if you don't like garlic, it's totally okay to make this recipe with just the pepper, because this pepper is so potent and high quality. It's going to impart like a nice warm spicy flavor to the dish, which I love so much. Our shrimp is ready to be flipped over. And like I said, we're not looking to crazily brown this, just a slight kind of sear on each side. Let's transfer our shrimp to a bowl. We're going to add a tablespoon of butter and the chopped garlic. Saute for about a minute. Now we're going to add our black pepper. So because Simply Organic uses such premium quality peppercorns, it adds this nice, intense, warm, spicy, biting flavor to the dish. Give that a nice little stir, and you'll start to smell all of that beautiful black pepper flavor. When that happens, it's time to add our cream. And you want to let that come up to a simmer gently. Our cream is now bubbling, means it's time to add the shrimp, a little bit of baby spinach, and salt. Give that a good stir and let that cook down for about 2 to 3 minutes. So while our shrimp is cooking, I'm going to chop some chives to garnish. Did you see how simple and easy that recipe was? The shrimp is cooked. I'm ready to plate. With just a few ingredients, you can make something super delicious on like a weeknight or just like when you have guests visiting. You can easily enhance the flavor of any dish by using few simple spices and ingredients. In this case, just black pepper. I'm going to garnish with some chopped chives and a little bit of crushed red pepper because I like it. No other reason. And we're ready. So this tastes amazing. I can definitely taste like the warm, biting, intense black pepper flavor. And you have just a little bit of cream to round everything off. That garlic in the background. This is just the kind of recipe I want to make when I want to whip up something really quick and flavorful in under 20 minutes for my guests or for myself. So if you want the recipe, go to thefeedfeed.com and I will see you again next time.